All right, so in this video, I'm going to go over 3 ways you can save money and get good deals on eBay. So it's gonna be 3 quick hacks on how to save some money and get some good deals. If you're interested in that, stay tuned for the video and let's go right now. So if you're an avid eBay shopper, you're probably gonna know these tactics already, but if you don't, if you don't shop on eBay, you don't know how to access eBay, you're still scared of eBay, which some people are, and that's okay. These work 99% of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. So number 1 is going to be to add it to your watch list. Now what that means is that whenever you search for an item, there's going to be a bunch of results that pop up, obviously, right? Just because I was looking it up recently, I looked up Logic's Incredible True Story. I'm trying to find some old merch because this is one of my favorite albums by him. But let's say I wanted this album, right? The deluxe edition. There's a little heart right here. If you guys can see, you're going to click on that little heart. What that does, actually, when you click the heart, you added it to your watch list. It notifies the seller that something has been added to somebody's watch list. So what eBay does is they send a seller a notification, say that someone added it to their watch list. Would you like to send them an offer so that you can make a sale? So usually when you add something to your watch list, you'll get a notification on the app. If you're online, you get a notification saying that the seller of whatever item that you're trying to buy has sent you a lower offer and just to try to make the sale on you, if that makes sense. You didn't have to do anything. You just hit the heart, wait for them to send you a deal. You can add it to your cart, accept that offer, and go ahead and get your new item. Okay, so number 2 is going to be sort by lowest. Now, honestly, this is not a joke. You're gonna sort by lowest, but look for the lowest offer, obviously. Hit the little heart button and still get an even lower offer than the lowest price option on eBay. For instance, the one I added previously to my watch list was $65, and maybe they get an offer for $60, but I sorted by lowest because I knew how to do it already. I can still add it to my watch list. Maybe a seller will send me an offer for even lower than $11. I can already hear what people are saying. Wow, that's messed up. Why would you do that? The sellers are already selling it cheap. But as a seller, I know that I just want to make a sale. I already know that I'm making money on that thing. Either I don't want it anymore, I don't need it, I'm just trying to get rid of it. Seller doesn't have to send an offer. The seller can just ignore the notification from eBay that someone added it to their watch list. Now, of course, you guys know I'm a reseller, so whenever I do get that notification, I send offers because I'm trying to get rid of the items. So that works the same way as for any of the items and products on eBay as well. Don't feel bad about taking a lower offer. You're just trying to get a good deal. You're just trying to get some savings. And even $10 to $20 off is really going to help you. It's going to buy you lunch. It's going to buy you another game for whatever. Maybe you're buying a system. You shouldn't feel bad about doing that. It's optional for them to send you an offer. Yeah, that's going to be number 2. Number 1 is going to be add to your watch list. 2, sort by lowest, and then add to your watch list. Okay, so number 3 is going to be the last resort. But if no one's sending you offers, there's no other cheap prices on whatever you're trying to buy, to add it to your cart, but don't check out. So again, eBay will send the seller a notification that someone has your item in their cart. So to incentivize a sale, they tell you, hey, would you like to drop the item by 5% to make the sale? Would you like to drop the item by 10% to make the sale? They basically have one more chance to send you an offer to try and close the sale, try to get you some money. eBay tries to help sellers out a lot because they even get a little kickback off it, of course. So if there's something you really want and it's super expensive or no one's sending you offers, you found the cheapest one and still you can't find anything, add it to your cart, don't check out, wait a day or so the notification can come through and the seller can send you an offer. But yeah, that's going to be the 3rd way to save some money and get some savings on eBay. Now, like a bonus pro tip that I like to do, if you want to do what I do to get good deals on eBay, is I look for my item, sort by lowest. I look for the lowest price item that says make offer or best offer right underneath it. And then again, I do the same thing that I talk about in my Facebook, how to get good deals on Facebook. Send a kind of a low offer, not too low, don't cut it in half, but a pretty low offer. See if they accept it and go back and forth with negotiations there. That's how I like to get good deals because again, most people I know I know that they're just trying to get a sale. They don't really need to make top dollar on what they're selling. Then if that don't work, if they end up not accepting my offer, I end up just add it to the watch list, and then they end up sending me an offer anyway because they don't know who added it to their watch list, even though it was me. So they just send that person an offer, and I usually just take that offer after that. Yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today. If you found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you enjoy content like this. I didn't forget about the Amazon giveaway. We're going to be doing that very soon, so please make sure to subscribe, hit notifications on that. I am doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway on the channel for hitting over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you all who subscribed, who consume the content, all of that. Thank you so much. I aim to keep trying to add more value to the channel. Keep making videos that help you guys out. Please follow me and add me on Instagram. If you have any questions, please DM me. I will get to them eventually. If you don't know, I'm a full-time boss at my job, so whenever I get time, I try to answer as many questions as I can. So please be patient. I'm not trying to diss you. I will get to you, I promise. I will see it eventually. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. My name is Specs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you on the next one.
Watch me talk my shit, I still mind my words. Y'all just shop your list. I got some words on my side.